Have you ever wondered how to make money with NFTs? It's a burning question on many minds today. In a world that's rapidly digitizing, NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are making a significant impact. They're unique digital assets that exist on a blockchain, much like cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. But unlike cryptocurrencies, each NFT is distinct with its own special value, making them non-interchangeable. These digital assets can be anything from digital art and music to virtual real estate and even tweets. The value of NFTs lies in their uniqueness and the demand for them in the digital market. As more people recognize their potential, NFTs are becoming a lucrative avenue for digital investments, promising high returns for the savvy investor. So, NFTs are a new frontier in the digital world. But how can you profit from them? Let's delve into that. To make money with NFTs, you need to understand the market first. Now, the NFT market, like any other, is a volatile one. Prices can skyrocket one moment and plummet the next. It's a roller coaster ride, and you'll need to strap in and hold on tight. But don't let this scare you away. With volatility comes opportunity, and with the right knowledge and approach, you can turn this wild ride into a profitable journey. So, how do you gain this knowledge? Research. You need to understand the trends, the movers and shakers of the NFT world. What's hot today may not be tomorrow, and what's considered worthless now could be the next big thing. That's why it's crucial to stay informed and keep your finger on the pulse of the market. And where do you find this information? There are numerous online platforms and communities where you can dive into the world of NFTs. Websites like OpenSea, Rarible, and Foundation are popular marketplaces for buying and selling NFTs. They offer a wealth of data, from recent sales to top collections, and they can provide invaluable insights into the current state of the market. But be warned, these platforms can be overwhelming for newcomers. There's a lot to take in, and it's easy to get lost in the sea of information. That's why it's important to take it slow, start small, and gradually expand your knowledge base. And don't forget to engage with the community. The NFT world is filled with seasoned veterans and enthusiastic newcomers alike, all willing to share their experiences and advice. So, to navigate the volatile seas of the NFT market, you'll need a solid understanding of the landscape, a keen eye for trends, and the willingness to learn and adapt. It's not a journey for the faint of heart, but for those who are brave enough to take the plunge, the rewards can be significant. With the right knowledge and approach, the NFT market can indeed be a gold mine. Now, creating your own NFT is where the real journey begins. First, let's talk about what it means to create an NFT. It all begins with a piece of digital art or media. This can be anything from a digital painting to a video clip, a music track, or even a tweet. The key is that it's something unique, something that you've created. This is your raw material, your canvas, from which you'll create your NFT. Creating an NFT is like creating a unique digital signature for your work. It's a way of saying, "This is mine, I made this." It's a process of attaching information about the work, such as the creator's identity and the work's ownership history, to the work itself. This information is stored on the blockchain, a decentralized database that is transparent and immutable. Now let's talk about minting. Minting is the process of turning your digital art or media into an NFT. You might think of it as the final step in the creation process, the moment when your work becomes an NFT. But it's more than just a technical process, it's a declaration of your work's value, a statement that your work is worth owning, worth trading, worth investing in. Minting involves uploading your work to an NFT marketplace and creating a new token on the blockchain that represents your work. This token is unique. It cannot be replicated or replaced. It is permanently linked to your work, and it carries with it all the information about your work that you've added during the creation process. The process of minting can involve a fee, known as a gas fee, which is used to compensate the miners who maintain the blockchain. This fee can vary depending on the marketplace and the current demand for transactions on the blockchain. And there you have it. You've taken a piece of digital art or media, created an NFT, and minted it. It's a journey, a process, a transformation. Once you've minted your NFT, it's ready to be sold on the market. Now the world is waiting to see what you've created. And who knows? You might just be the next big thing in the NFT world. Selling your NFT is the next crucial step. Now that you've created and minted your NFT, the next logical move is to sell it. But how? Well, let's explore this. Pricing your NFT is more of an art than a science. There's no set formula, but there are guidelines to follow. Firstly, consider the cost of creation and minting. You'll want to cover these expenses at the very least. Secondly, take into account the uniqueness of your NFT, its potential value to buyers, and the current market trends. Remember, pricing too high might deter potential buyers, but pricing too low might undervalue your work. It's a delicate balancing act. Research other similar NFTs and their selling price. This can give you a general idea of what the market is willing to pay, but pricing is just one part of the equation. Marketing your NFT effectively is equally important. You could have the most amazing NFT, but if no one knows about it, it's unlikely to sell. Use social media, art forums, and networking events to get the word out. Engage with your audience, tell the story behind your NFT and why it's worth buying. Now, where to sell your NFT? There are several platforms available for this. Ethereum-based platforms like OpenSea and Rarible have been popular choices. These platforms provide a marketplace where you can list your NFT for sale. Each platform has its own fees and features, so do your research before choosing one. Another option is to use a personal website or social media platform to directly sell to your audience. This can give you more control over the sale process, but it might require more effort to attract buyers. Selling NFTs is not a guaranteed goldmine, but with proper pricing, effective marketing, and the right platform, you can greatly increase your chances of success. Remember, the right pricing and marketing strategy can make a huge difference in your NFT sales. Investing in NFTs is another way to make money with them. Now, how do you do that? First, it's crucial to understand that investing in NFTs is not just about buying low and selling high. It involves buying a digital asset and holding on to it with the expectation that its value will increase over time. Just like any investment, there are risks involved. The value of an NFT is largely subjective, and the market can be quite volatile. Prices can skyrocket one day and plummet the next. It's not uncommon to see NFTs that were once worth thousands of dollars become virtually worthless overnight. Therefore, it's essential to do your research and understand the market before investing. So, what are the potential returns? Well, the sky's the limit. Some investors have made millions from their NFT investments. For instance, an NFT artwork by Beeple sold for a whopping $69 million in March 2021. But remember, these are the exceptions, not the rule. One key strategy to keep in mind when investing in NFTs is diversification. Just like with traditional investments, it's not wise to put all your eggs in one basket. Consider investing in different types of NFTs: art, sports collectibles, virtual real estate, and so on. This way, if one investment doesn't pan out, you might still make a profit from another. Also, consider the longevity and potential use cases of the NFTs you're investing in. An NFT with a real-world application or a strong community backing it is more likely to hold its value over time. Finally, remember to only invest what you can afford to lose. The world of NFTs is exciting and full of potential, but it's also unpredictable and risky. Investing in NFTs can be risky, but with careful planning, it can yield significant returns. So are you ready to dive into the world of NFT investing? In conclusion, making money with NFTs involves a combination of creation, selling, and investing. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of NFTs, exploring its dynamics, and understanding how you can tap into its potential. From understanding the market, creating and minting your own unique NFTs, to successfully selling and investing, every step is an adventure in the digital realm. Remember, the key is to stay curious, be creative, and have a keen eye for valuable digital assets. It's a brave new world out there, and the opportunities are virtually limitless. It's all about taking that first step and immersing yourself in the process. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the Momentum Mentoring YouTube channel for more insights. Visit our ebook store and learn to earn online. The link is in the description. Keep exploring, Keep learning, and you may just strike digital gold with NFTs.